Okay, so for this problem, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to solve area of a parallelogram. That way you could use the same video for the other ones. And basically you just need to look for the base and the height. And remember on the first problem on this video, I showed you to look for that magic square. Well, guess what? Here's the magic square, so it's right here. So I need you to make sure that you guys know that the base is going to be the bottom part, or the one that's on the bottom of the square, and then the height is going to be the one coming up and down. And remember, when you're working with height, it's like measuring your height. You're not going to lean over like this one over here. So you're not going to lean over here to measure your height. When the doctor tells you, let's check how tall you are, you're not going to lean over. You're going to go ahead and stand up straight, up and down. And that's what you're looking for. So in this case, all you have to do is just find that. So the formula would be area equals to base and height. Base times height. So area equals base times height. So in substitution, all you're doing is still writing area equals, and you're going to put 18.6 times 47. And what you do, all you have to do is multiply it. So 18.6 times 47. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and multiply this. So it's going to be 7 times 6 is going to be 42. So bring up the 4. 7 times 8. 7 times 8 is 56, plus 4 is 60. Seven times 7 times 1, sorry. 7 times 1 is, it's 7 plus 6, it's going to be 13. And then you're going to go ahead and add a 0. 4 times 7 is 24. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 2 is 34. So that's a 3. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. And then you add it up, so that's 2, that's 4, that's 7, 6, 8. So your answer is going to be 8,742, but remember, we have that decimal, so go ahead and add that decimal. So then you're going to have 874 and 2 tenths. And this is going to be square centimeters, but remember, to show square centimeters, you use that little 2, because remember in exponents, we said that when we say to the second power is the same as a squared, but also because we're multiplying two dimensions, that means it's a two-dimensional shape, and that's why we also use squared. So just remember that. So you're going to use the same system for each of the other 4 problems, because you're going to do those on your own. Make sure that you're checking your math, because I had to come back and redo this one because my math was wrong. But make sure you're checking your math before you select the answer. Now make sure that you are including the dimensions and you understand why it's to the second power. And make sure that you are multiplying the correct numbers, so look for that magical square. So good luck on the rest of your assignment.